Hello, in this video, I will show you how to configure the AWeber integration with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Features add-on. Now, activate the AWeber integration. Integration is activated. Now click the Configure button. This is the AWeber integration configuration page. AWeber requires an authorization code. Now click to Get Code button. Enter the login details and click to Allow Access button. Copy your authorization code and paste it. Now click to Authorize button. Now AWeber is configured successfully. First select your list ID. After that, you can change the Subscribe to Newsletter label. Click this button and refresh the mapping fields. Now, select the mapping fields. After that, click to Save button and save your changes. Now, go to the front-end side Affiliate Press Signup page. This is the Affiliate Press Signup page. Now, enter the basic details. The data will be synced only if the checkbox is checked at the time of registration. After that, click the Create Account button. Registration is now complete, and the user is redirected to the Affiliate Panel page. Now, go to the AWeber dashboard page. Firstly, select the list that you have set at the time of configuring AWeber. After that, open the Subscribers page. Here you can see all the records. Now open your first record and see the user data. Now, go to the backend side affiliates page. Here you can see the All Affiliates record.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.